If you're looking for in-bed storage with easy access, then the Humpstor by DU-HA is the perfect choice for you. Perhaps the easiest space to access your truck bed is above the wheel well from the side. That's where this handy solution from DU-HA mounts. They call it the Humpstor because it rides above the hump. Backed by a lifetime warranty and satisfaction guarantee, this roto-molded heavy-duty polyethylene storage box is made in the USA. Built to be tough and rugged, the rubber seal under the lid helps keep out dust and moisture. The Humpstor also has a lockable lid for safety and security. Providing 3.2 cubic feet of storage space, the newly designed Humpstor is the perfect solution for the tradesman at the job site. Not only is this handy, but also space-saving. You can still slide virtually any common cargo into your truck bed, including 4x8 sheets of plywood. For you sportsmen out there, the newly designed Humpstor even includes a divider or gun rack for safely storing your firearms and serves as a legal gun case in most states. There's also an optional rifle rack available for purchase. Installation is simple. It easily attaches above the wheel well and is adjustable to the perfect height.